Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one withdrawal proof of the website I shared with you in past videos. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are everywhere on our website, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency just watching my video and step by step doing that all stuff. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the website. The website name is Dogemate, and I share with you this website much more time. Right now I share with you the withdrawal proof again from this website because I make much more withdrawal from here. Right now I have this much coin in my balance. I can withdraw any cryptocurrency I want, like a Binance, like a Bitcoin, like a BTC, Bitcoin Cash, Dogemate, like a Dogecoin, any cryptocurrency I love. I can withdraw this cryptocurrency right now, and I want to withdraw like a Bitcoin. Just I click to show you the minimum withdrawal amount for a Bitcoin. I want a Bitcoin in Bitcoin faucetpay. The minimum withdrawal amount is 1,000 coin. I have 9,400 coin. Okay, and just I click withdraw. This will be pay me instantly to my faucetpay. Maybe sometimes take a lot of time to send me the amount, and this much available claim I have every day I can claim. Just I go to earning, I go to short links, I earn this much coin, 3 cent. Every 1,000 coin is 1 cent. I earn 3 cent just watching short links. And BTC has, with the BTC has, totally I earn 4 cent. The next way is a task. You can complete the task, making a video and publish it in YouTube, making a post in your blog, making a promote, and making a Telegram chat with this to invite your Telegram people, and you will roll every 1 hour. You have one time rolling ensure. And this is always the next one is offer wall, so you can complete offers and you can make much more coin from here. And that's it guys. I go to my faucetpay to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. To this website pay me or not, I go to this dashboard, I come down, show you the withdrawal proof, and you can see guys, this website pay me this much BTC. Thanks for watching guys, and this website link available in description. Bye bye for now.